Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a diagram in Draw.io. Creating diagrams help visualize ideas, processes, and systems clearly and efficiently. First, open Draw.io and choose whether to start with a blank diagram or a template. To use a template, click on the plus icon at the top and click on Template. Use the search bar to find a template that suits your needs, such as a flowchart, network diagram, or organizational chart. Or you can choose any chart from here and click on Insert. If you prefer to start from scratch, go to the left-hand panel and open the shape libraries. Click on More Shapes if needed, then enable the shape library you want to use, such as flowcharts. Click on Apply, then drag and drop the shapes onto the canvas to start building your diagram. You can use connectors, text, and formatting options from the right-hand panel to arrange and style your diagram. And that's it. We just learned how to create a new diagram in Draw.io using either a template or a blank diagram and how to use shape libraries to build it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.